We talked about making millions, making 100x. What about that 1,000x? What about that walk-off grand slam? Now the question is, how do you get access to those deals? It is very tough. It is very challenging. And guess what? We have listened to all of you. We've been working, trying to make a way to make this possible legally. We're doing that, right? Because the main thing is you have to pass accreditation. You have to be an investor, according to US, as an accredited investor. You have to have either $1 million net worth, not counting your home, the value of your home, or make more than 200K individually, or more than 300K jointly with a spouse. In essence, you got to be rich. You have to have the money to be able to lose the money, right? Because only invest what you're willing to lose. Angels make money. Angels could have invested in Solana, and Tokenmetrics, we're building an angel investor network. And we also have our fund, Tokenmetrics Ventures. So we come across a lot of deal flow, a lot of projects. Some projects we invest in, some we don't. But either way, you guys have seen from back in the day to even now, we have a lot of deal flow, Polygon, Helium. We're meeting these projects in person. Well, nowadays it's mainly via Zoom, so you don't have to fly as much. But either way, we have a global network of investors and also making this available now to our customers with the launch of the Tokenmetrics VIP plan. There have been some changes to the plan, so definitely pay attention. But in that sense, we're getting all the deals that come across our decks as a platform, Tokenmetrics, and also on the fund side, and also in our angel investor network. And we're making these deals available. The deals, the deck, the research early in real time. So imagine all these products we do code reviews on. Typically, it might take anywhere from weeks to sometimes even months before that's published on the website because we have a backlog. Well, guess what? As an angel VC, you don't want to wait, right? You want to know as soon as we get a project, even if we're still reviewing it, you want to maybe do your own research on it. At Tokenmetrics, we're doing that. We're doing two things. One, we're getting all the research and projects that come across our desk, making it available in real time to our customers in the VIP plan. And based on talking to our customers, because we love to listen to our customers wanted to be able to invest in these deals. And for us, we want to make sure this was purely legal. So it's been taking a while, but now we're in the process of launching Tokenmetrics SPVs. Yes, special purpose vehicles, being able to take the VIP plan customers and have them legally pull capital. They have to go through KYC, AML, and invest into these deals. So whether they're deals that our fund is investing in, or even just products we don't like, but maybe the groups likes, the VIP plan customers like. This is coming soon to Tokenmetrics. Our time frame is to have this launch in the next month or two. It just takes a while, paperwork, legal work, being able to take both US and non-US investors, but either way, you have to qualify it, you have to pass accreditation, and we're expecting to have maybe on average about 10K minimum per deal for each investor in the SPV. But anyway, this is done for angel investors and some VCs, basically anybody who wants to find early stage access. Maybe you don't have the time to travel around the world, building an investment network. Guess what? We have the network for you here at Tokenmetrics. So here's an example, right? So let's say we come across a deal. We'll give you a quick blurb on the project, the deck, tokenomics, and tell you, hey, this company is raising, do your own research. Or let's say we get maybe 50 projects in a month, maybe even more, and we like maybe 3 or 5. We'll curate those and say, these are the ones we really like, and these are the ones we're probably going to invest in. We'll tell you in real time. Then you can do your own research, either invest individually or even in the SPV. But we think this will be a big value add because this is probably the most requested product from our customers. We want to co-invest with you guys. How do we do it? We want to get in early, find the next Solana, the next Polygon, the next Helium. How do you do it? Well, we're trying to make this available to our customers. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, we have even more content for you at Tokenmetrics. Get there using the link down below.